So right hand, obviously, is doing what?
The melody.
Yeah. Right hand is just playing the melody that's written. So now that we've done these minor progressions today as a quiz, ooh, sorry. It's in your ears, but with our G minor, it's just the triad, right? So what is that chord?
One, minor one.
Minor one. Okay. So we go along, and then C minor / G. What does that mean again?
That's the
Four, six.
4 chord, but it's inverted and it's on G.
The bass does G.
4, minor 4.
Yeah, exactly. It's the minor 4. It's a C minor chord. But what that tells us is that the G is in the bass. What that also is our inversion, just like we did today on the quiz. So that's all that means. So that is the 4. And how do we write that inversion?
6/4.
6/4, because the interval 4 and then to 6. 6/4. Okay. D7 / F sharp. It's our 5/6/5. 6/5 is just the interval between the bass and the top note and the bass and the next note. It's a 7 chord, so it's 5/6/5. It's just our progression. Okay. Then we go back to Bueller. Oh, 1. Yeah, okay. And then what happens here? There's nothing marked. It stays 1. Okay.
4.
Yeah. 4/6/4.
5/6/5.
5/6/5.
1.
1. 5/6/5. Pencil it in, by the way. If you don't have a pencil, go ahead and pencil it in. Same thing, doesn't change.
1. Well, that's 5/6/5.
5/6/5 again, yeah.
Then
And then 1.
5/6/5.
5/6/5.
5/6/5.
going.
5/6/5.
Keep going.
Oh, again, 5/6/5. And 1. Okay. So questions on that? So we've gone through this now. If you're choosing this one, how are you playing the accompaniment? That's the next step. Block chords with
It's just-
1/6/5.
Yeah, it's just a whole new
Or the-
measurement.
yeah.
Yeah.
Yep, it's just a block chord, just like you did today. So for G minor, we change to 4, and then 5, and then we play the 1 again, even though they don't mark it. So we play each measure. We play 5. And we play it again. Play it again. 1. Play it again. Play it again. And play it again. So each downbeat. Every downbeat. Even if they don't mark it again, you replay the chord. Yes?
So we're choosing from either 216 or 217?
Correct.
Okay.
Yeah, so you either choose this one or the page before.
Okay.
And why not, let's look at the page before really quick, because this one, if you do choose, the accompaniment style is a little bit different like we've talked about already, but just as a review, erase this stuff first. Okay. Let's go back a page. So again, the same deal with number 1. We're just playing the melody in the right hand. We've also addressed this before. I'll put this in blue. What is your hand position there? Hand position. Yeah, it's a D minor hand position. Yes, so not the chord this time. This is something else I wanted to point out. So that is a D hand position. Uh-oh. You got to, yeah. Oops, I just blocked it out. So you have to change after you hit 5/5 3, which then puts you in what position?
F major.
F major.
Oh.
Yeah. All the way to there. Hmm. What do we hear?
D.
D, but then something goofy happens, right?
Yeah.
So we just have to jump up the octave. So we've got D. We have to jump. Then with 5 on that D. Good. Was that, who said that? Good. Yeah. Very good. F major, because he's putting the 4, well, he, she, I don't know, it's Ukraine, but putting 4 on the B flat, which that's going to be a little odd, so you'll want to practice that 5 going to 4 on the B flat. And then you're suddenly in F position for, when do I stop? When do I stop? I stop there. And then
D.
D. Good. So, 2 positions the whole time. And they're both in what kind of keys with each other? Yeah, relative, major, minor. So you've got, and they're only a third apart, which is the pattern of relative, major, minor. And then that jump. Okay? Now we have the chords. D minor, 1.
4.
G minor with a D bass is the 4. Guys, you got it. You got it. 1.
4.
4.
1.
4.
5, 6, 5.
Yeah. 5, 6, 5.
1.
1.
4.
4.
1.
5. Okay. Good. Difference between this one and the other example, though. Yeah, there's a very specific style to the accompaniment. So, what would be a good way to practice first, though, before worrying about the style?
The block order.
Yeah, practice it like the second example. Just block the chord until you get used to where you're going. Change to the 3. Now I'm in F position. I'm in D position again. And jumping up. Let's do that together. So, headsets. Make sure you can hear me. So slowly. Something's up. There you go. Okay. So find your D position in the left hand. And find your D position in the right hand. I know it says fast, but we're going to do it slow. All right, so everybody in D position, here we go. This is your 8th note. 1 and 2 and. Play the chord again. 5, 5, switch right hand 3. There's a 4 chord. You're in F position. Play. Still in F position, 4 chord. Questions or concerns, problems? So then after you get comfortable with that, you'll coordinate. That's kind of what those folks do anyway, right? They kind of speed up. I'm not telling you to rush, but it's kind of fun. I like it.
That's Ukraine.
Questions? Okay.